This is an instructional video on how to assemble the Marielle table base. The instructions provided in this video are also suitable for the assembly of the Marielle dry bar base. Please be aware that whilst this base does come with screws to attach the tabletop to the base, not all bases do. You will need the following items to assemble your base: 1 top plate, 1 pole and threaded rod, 3 nuts, 2 flat washers and 2 split washers, 1 base, 4 feet and 1 tool. Step 1. Place 1 nut, flat washer and split washer onto the threaded rod. Insert the rod into the bottom of the top plate and secure with an additional nut. Tighten with a spanner, ensuring it is completely tightened. Step 2. Position the top plate upside down on the ground and line up the slot from the pole to the groove on the top plate. Step 3. Once aligned, place the pole on the top plate. Step 4. Align the base upside down on the pole, ensuring the threaded rod is visible through the base. Thread 1 flat washer, split washer and nut onto the threaded rod and tighten with the tool. Step 5. Screw 1 adjustable foot into the base and repeat for the 3 remaining feet. Thank you for taking the time to watch our instructional video.